The first step is to design and typeset and calculate the path. And second, transfer the file to a control computer, read in a typesetting, and save the file. Third, place the aluminum composite panel at the position of the scalar mark. Transfer the file to engraving machine, and it will complete the engraving automatically. At the same time, we started to clean aluminum composite panel. Here is the final work of what the engraving machine done on the ACP. It's our brand name. And have a good day. Bye bye. If you want to get more information about aluminum composite panel, please visit our website.